Right, we're going to give you a rundown of our 996 turbo exhaust. Just worth mentioning while you're watching this video, the setup is very similar to our 997 turbo 1 and 1.5 exhaust. The actually only different is where the tips exit, because they're slightly higher on a 997 turbo. So while we talk through this, this is the same system that would fit to a Gen 1, Gen 1.5 997 turbo. Right, so what can we tell you? Completely bespoke exhaust system made for us through our design that I designed with our exhaust people. It does have a crossover pipe in the middle, so it balances the exhaust, where the standard exhaust actually is one long box. So we have controlled it. We've got two boxes. 996 turbos and 997 turbos are quite hard to get a tone out of without being too loud or too drony. So what we've actually done on this exhaust, this includes the cats by the way as well. On Neil's car here, they're actually 200 cell cats, but we can supply 200, 300, 400 cell cats, whatever you desire, can be made to order. We would normally, at the end of the video, show you some shots of an exhaust on the ground, all done, ready to go, but we've had such a demand for these, we're actually out of stock at the moment and waiting for a new delivery and a new batch to come through. The cans on these, if you get a closer look there, Tom, you'll see there's rivets in the end cans. Now, they have actually been made there purposely, because 996, 997 turbos sounds is quite unique, and everyone's different. So as much as we've never done it, there actually is the facility to undo these end caps and take the sound material in and out. If you wanted it slightly louder, you could do that, or if you wanted it quieter, you could put it in and kind of tune it to your own unique taste. The one thing you will find, if you go for 200 cell cats, the car will be louder than a 400 cell cat. All our cats as well, these ones on this particular car are actually made to Euro 5/6, which originally when this car came out would have been Euro 3 emission controls. So our cats actually meet greater emission control regulations. All bolt on, there's no modifications to the car, they're all fit straight on. We do spend quite a lot of time when we do our exhaust system, make sure that the tips fit. They look same, they're symmetrical, they look right in the car. All our exhausts are made to fit factory tips. We do make our own tips for them as well, but most customers in the modern world prefer having the stock look. So all our exhausts are made to work with standard tips. They're a really lovely product, 100% stainless. That's internals, externals. So all the wool that we use inside to give you your sound, that is also stainless steel. Everything. And those who don't know, we believe in our exhaust so much because we try to improve them over the standard system. They all come with 8 years warranty as well. So one of the factors that we want to do with our exhausts is if people are spending the money, because they're handcrafted, they are a high-grade stainless steel, 100% stainless, they cost money. But we try to give customers that guarantee that if you buy one from us, they're an 8-year no-quibble warranty. If 7 years and 300 days' time your back box falls off or something fails, we just exchange it for a new one. So really good product. We do have more products coming to market, so keep an eye on our website. Next year, 2026, we will have a brochure built with all our exhausts and our products coming out under our PPT banner. So keep an eye out. More to come. We just thought we'd bring to you this stunning Riviera Blue 991.1 GTS. This is the car we've just sold actually, but just to give you a bit of a rundown, you see a lot of the podcasts about me talking about the stuff we're buying. This is actually sold before we got an opportunity to tell you about this one. So this is a 991.1 GTS Targa, one of the very last ones, and actually one of 94 GTSs in Targa, and one of 2 PTS colours, so paint to sample. And if my facts are correct, the only Riviera Blue one. So it makes it quite an exceptional car. Just a really lovely car, kind of thing that we have in stock these days. Black GTS wheels, it has got GTS interior pack. This particular one is PDK. Just a really, really lovely car. The cars that we now sell, anything low owners, low mileage, full history, is what we have in stock. If anyone wants a GTS and you missed out on this one, we actually do have a 2017 Gen 2 stunning Guards Red Coupe that is in stock at the moment. Keep watching our channel for up and coming cars and events.